This custom executive ranch with an attached two-car garage is located in the highly sought-after Governor Francis Farms area of Warwick. A wraparound drive welcomes you to the landscaped grounds with the highest quality shrubs, trees, and plantings. Step into the wonderful flowing floor plan brimming with high-quality features including solid oak floors and accents in the formal living room with a fireplace. Enjoy meals in the dining room that connects directly to the recently remodeled kitchen with stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, and a casual dining area. Continuing on, you will find a perfectly located great room with a warm fireplace and wet bar and an adjoining half bath, making it ideal for entertaining. For a quiet moment, retire to the personal office space or the sunroom that is positioned to capture the full southern exposure and overlooks the in-ground pool and rear yard. Down the hall on the main floor is the master suite, offering an ensuite bath with a glass-enclosed shower and a whirlpool tub. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath are available on the second floor of the home. In the lower level, you'll find the perfect recreation room. This area is set up with a wet bar and offers plenty of space to play pool or watch your favorite shows and sporting events. A laundry room and craft room completes the lower level. This great location allows you to visit all the restaurants and shops in Namquid and Patuxet Village. Take full advantage of Narragansett Bay's glittering scenic waters at nearby marinas and parks, or spend a day at one of Rhode Island's iconic beaches. Proximity to the airport and its train station gives you unparalleled travel ability. The Easy Access Highway is another option, allowing you to drive to the award-winning entertainment and dining options in Providence. For more information, please call Mark Raymond at area code 401-837-2042.